多謝我哋今晚嘅百萬司儀，我哋啲中妹柳君小姐啊，多謝佢。我都算老人家㗎啦，眼睛唔算好好，所以咧我要教一教，唔好意思。尊敬嘅洪任主席、滿雄主席、昌凡主席、僑教中心嘅僑教中心主任高家副主任，各位全美溯源顧問，各位僑團首長、社會賢達，各位親愛嘅宗親，各位尊敬嘅嘉賓，大家好。我係嚟自三藩市總堂嘅方國忠，我好高興能夠出席今晚嘅慶會，我心情好興奮。春回大地，我首先代表總堂向大家拜個年，恭祝在座各位新春快樂，身體健康，馬年行好運。同時代表總堂恭賀我哋紐英倫公所成功舉辦今次嘅新春慶會，恭喜佢哋！我哋紐英倫公所成立雖然時間唔算話好長，喺同我哋其他嘅分堂比較，但係一直以嚟人才濟濟，大家團結一致，齊心協力，為中親謀福祉，為僑社發展，為華人嘅利益作出巨大嘅貢獻。我代表總堂給予我哋紐英倫公所最大嘅肯定同埋最高嘅讚譽。Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. State Representative Honorable Dana Wong, City Councillor Honorable Edward Friend, Honorable guests, I'm Mason Fong from Shuyan Benevolent Association, the headquarters in San Francisco. I'm so happy to be here tonight. First and foremost, I wish you all a happy new year, prosperity and good health in the year of the horse. On behalf of the headquarters, I want to congratulate our New England chapter. It truly takes a lot of effort and mindful diligence to put together such a beautiful event and banquet. Believe me, I know it is not easy. But they made it happen in such an elegant way. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause to our brothers and sisters of our New England chapter. Our New England chapter boasts many talented individuals. They are united and dedicated to serving the members of the association and the Chinese community. You have made tremendous contributions to the development of our association and promoting the rights and interests for Chinese in America. You deserve our utmost recognition and affirmation. Now, personally, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the members of our New England chapter. Thank you for your support and trust, which enabled me to be successfully elected as president for the Shuyan headquarters. I'm deeply grateful, and I promise to do my best serving our association, serving you all. Once again, thank you, everyone, and special thanks go to the advisors, presidents, and staff of our New England chapter. Your warm hospitality and meticulous care have made us feel exceptionally close and moved. I feel as comfortable as if I have returned home. Once again, thank you so much. 我本人亦藉此機會咧，多謝我哋紐英倫嘅各位宗親對小弟嘅支持同埋信任，令小弟成功當選今屆總堂主席團嘅主席。我喺呢處表示12,000分嘅感謝。我將盡我最大嘅努力服務堂所，為堂所謀取最大嘅利益。再次多謝大家嘅支持。我同我太太同我個拍檔阿奇安主席夫婦咧，都係第一次參加我哋紐英倫公所嘅春宴。但係各位叔伯嬸母、兄弟姊妹對我哋嘅細心照顧、熱情款待，令我哋感覺特別親切，一啲都唔覺得陌生。唔單止唔陌生啊，直頭好似返到自己屋企一樣嘅。咁啊，用我藉此機會向我哋紐英倫嘅各位宗親表達最衷心嘅謝意，多謝各位叔伯嬸母兄弟姊妹。同時咧，我特別感謝我哋紐英倫公所嘅創會元老中華公所主席阿袁傑叔咧，叫佢大主席嘅。我哋全美素園堂資深顧問郭輝顧問同埋佢嘅賢內助阿郭輝嫂。我同佢哋相識好耐，咁啊一直都係以兄弟相稱。咁啊，我就唔叫佢大主席啦，我更加喜歡親切咁叫佢輝哥輝嫂。琴日咧，我剛到埗咧，佢哋兩夫婦咧就親自嚟旅店接我哋去晚宴。咁啊，晚宴之後咧，佢哋兩位咧仲帶我同太太咧特別參觀咗中華公所。佢唔係介紹自己啊。佢係介紹中華公所嘅歷史、中華公所嘅使命、公所對社區嘅貢獻，真係大開眼界。當中咧仲見到啱啱表演，頭先喺度表演嘅我哋啲小朋友，仲有特別係阿胡師傅啊，好有呢個黃飛鴻嘅風範嘅。咁啊，佢就教啲小朋友教得非常之好。有兩位咧半堂班嘅學員，頭先都喺度，咁啊，我哋都有同佢哋交談，唔傾偈由自可，一講開嚟嚇親我，中文好過100倍，粵語好到不得了，咁啊由此咧，我更加深刻感受到公所喺輝哥嘅帶領下咧，為僑社所作嘅貢獻有幾大，對下一輩嘅正面影響有幾深。我琴日返到酒店咧，我太太同我講，佢話你咪覺得自己好巴閉喎，你同阿輝哥比下咧，你係 nothing 啫喎。咁你知唔知我咩反應啊？冇反應，因為唔知點講，因為佢講係事實。再次多謝阿輝哥輝嫂。同時咧，我亦都趁此機會咧，特別代表總堂祝賀我哋紐英倫兩位資深嘅職員，前主席榮升我哋全美素園堂嘅全美顧問，我哋有雷展浩顧問同埋鄺元傑顧問。展浩顧問咧年青有為。係目前為止咧，我哋全美素園堂同埋素園公所最後生嘅顧問。佢係輝哥個公子，大家都知㗎啦。咁啊，佢自細咧就出嚟公所服務公所，貢獻公所。咁啊，完全有輝哥嘅風範，係咪？元傑顧問咧，同樣啦，我更加喜歡叫佢做元傑叔，親切啲嘅。咁就佢就啱啱相反，佢就接近90歲啦。但係你咪睇佢90歲喎，佢咧就健碩如牛嘅，行路生風嘅。 咁啊，佢為公所盡心盡力，每事咧親力親為。咁啊，在座各位兄弟咧，都係因為佢咧而入公所嘅。咁佢為公所嘅發展同埋壯大咧，作出咗巨大嘅貢獻。成為全美顧問咧，一啲都唔簡單嘅。有咩條件咧？就要服務公所最少15年，並且擔任過2屆嘅一共6年嘅正副主席。咁啊，容唔容易咧？一啲都唔容易。但係佢2位做到咗啦。I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Dennis Lui and Yun Kit-sok on officially becoming an advisor for all chapters of the Su Yin Benevolent Association. It is very hard to become an advisor of the association. You have served as an elected official of the association at least 15 years, including serving 2 terms as president for a total of 6 years. It is not easy, but Dennis and Yun Kit-sok have accomplished it. Congratulations to both of them. 再次多謝佢哋2位嘅貢獻，同埋恭喜佢哋。成為公所顧問咧，我哋係有一個特別嘅記號嘅，就係我哋嘅顧問襟章。咁我而家有請我嘅拍檔阿奇安主席上嚟。有請阿 Dennis 余傑叔。恭喜佢哋，好有份量啊！我手震震啊！我想請我哋3位主席、我哋顧問上嚟同2位新任嘅顧問影張相，或者下邊嗰度影張相。咁啊，再次恭喜佢哋2位，亦都多謝我拍檔阿奇安主席。Finally, I wish our New England chapter nothing but the best, and I wish each and everyone good health, good wealth, and good luck in the year of the horse. 最後咧，我恭祝我哋紐英倫公所會務昌隆，主孫昌盛。再次恭祝在座各位新春快樂，身體健康，龍馬精神，心想事成。多謝各位。